tightening it down. We're just cracking the bleed valve open.
Okay, nice and even.
Yes. We're using a high quality synthetic.
Just a few more passes here.
Applying the final protective layer now.
It is all yours, buddy. Take good care of it. Ah, good memories.
Let's get a closer look. Look at that coming through. Flat tires everywhere. Nice and slow.
Almost there. Safe inside.
Almost there. Safe inside.
Okay, let's get this dirt off. Nice and slow, scraping this rust. Feels so satisfying loosening these. One down. Gently now. Tightening it down. Almost there. Cleaning this up. Nice and slow. Look at that coming through. Feels so satisfying cleaning this up. And just look at that. Gently now. Parts coming off, almost there. Cleaning this up, almost there.
Feels so satisfying. Rust coming off.
Getting underneath. Nice and slow.
Just slow and steady pressure until we hear that satisfying click, confirming the threads are fully engaged at the specified torque. It's satisfying to see the original metal emerge from all this decay. We are making good progress now. Cable management is crucial for reliability. We'll route this section around the suspension mount and click it into place right here.
Almost there. Wiping it clean.
We're just cracking the bleed valve open now, watching the old fluid drain out. Once it runs clear like this, we can tighten it back down. We're using a high-quality synthetic blend for this engine. It's crucial for the longevity of the rebuilt components. Aligning the mounting points precisely. Feeling that satisfying click as it locks in.
Almost there. Checking every connection.
Applying the wrench to the terminal bolt. Slow and steady pressure. Feeling that connection seat perfectly.
Gently now, putting it back together. All right, let's get this caliper mounted. A little grease on the threads, and we'll slowly tighten these down.
Align the wheel carefully onto the studs. Make sure it seats flush against the hub before you start threading the lug nuts by hand.
Gently now.
aligning everything. Nice and slow, straightening this out. Gently now. Just fitting this back, cleaning this up. Bringing the shine back.
Now rotate the collar until you hear that satisfying click as it locks into place. Perfect fit. Connecting the gauge now.
Just gently scraping the last bits of old sealant now, making sure the surface is absolutely pristine before the primer goes on. Okay, let's carefully seat this into the frame. Gentle pressure now, making sure the adhesive bonds properly. Applying the final torque to the mounting bolts. That's 1 and 2.
Gently now, checking the fit. Gently sanding the corrosion from this Mercedes F1 panel. It's satisfying to watch the metal emerge.
Just a few more passes here. Getting this surface absolutely perfect. Listen to that smooth sound.
Applying the compound in slow, circular motions. You can already see that deep gloss starting to emerge beneath the haze. It's incredibly satisfying.
Almost there. Final timing.
Using a fine grit sandpaper now, just gently working this surface down until it's perfectly smooth. Just a very fine mist settling over the sanded metal. Nice even coats. Building that layer slowly.
And now the iconic Hightech Silver base coat goes down. We're bringing this W04 livery back to life.
Yes. Now look at that coming through. Blending nicely.
Okay, nice and even.
Applying the final protective layer now. Look at that shine developing. The metallic flakes are really coming through.
Final touches.
Almost there. She's ready.
Sitting here now, the restoration feels complete. It's quiet, peaceful.
Nice and slow. Ooh, listen to that.
Look at that coming through.